Welcome sa zip9.com. Sa previous video natin, pinag-aralan natin kung paano i-derive yung quadratic formula, no? So, ang quadratic formula, siya yung solution to the equation or to the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. So, here, we want to find the value of x at but the derivation, no? Using the previous video, no? Panoorin yung previous video paano ito nakuha. We want to find the value of x here, and nakuha natin that the value of x is this one. And this one is called the quadratic formula. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin, sa isang equation, dapat malaman mo yung value ng a, b, at saka c. No? A, b, and c. Para ma-substitute natin sa formula na to. So, sa previous video, ang iniwanan natin na unang equation na gusto nating isolve ay ang equation na x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, ang a natin dito ay 1. No? Ang b natin ay negative 4. No? Negative 4. Kasi magiging plus negative yan, di ba? Baguhin na lang natin para gets niyo. So dito sa general form niya naka-plus tayo, no? Pero dito naka-minus tayo. So pwede natin gawing plus itong mga minus na ito by x squared plus negative 4x plus negative 4 is equal to 0. Paano ito nangyari? Kasi ang a minus b is the same as a plus negative b. Pag-aaralan na natin yan, no? So, subtracting b from a is the same as adding the negative of b to a. Kaya lahat ng minus dito, nilagyan ko ng plus negative. So, dito kita-kita na yung bx natin ay negative 4x. At ang c natin ay negative 4. Okay? Parehong plus sila. Parehong plus. So, here we have a equals 1. 1 yun nandito. And then b equals negative 4 and c equals negative 4. Alam na natin yung values ng a, b, and c. So, pwede na tayo mag-substitute dito sa formula na to. So, we have x equals negative b. Negative b. Pero ang b natin ay negative 4. So, negative of negative 4 plus minus, we have square root of b squared. So, negative 4 squared minus 4a, which is 1, and then c, which is also negative 4. So, okay na tayo sa numerator. And then sa denominator, we have 2a, which is 2 times 1. Okay, so simplify natin. We have x equals negative of negative 4 is positive 4. Plus minus square root of 16, negative 4 squared is 16, and then negative 4 times negative 4. No? So magiging plus 16, parehong negative, and then over 2 times 1 is 2, right? Okay, so simplify, we have x equals 4 plus minus square root of 32 over 2. No? So, pwede nating i-simplify pa itong equation na ito. No? So, here, alam natin na square root of 32 can be written as square root of 16 times 2, di ba? 16 times 2 is 32. And yung square root of 16 times 2 can be written as square root of 16 times square root of 2. No? Square root of AB is the same as square root of A times square root of B. Yun yung property na yan. And we know that square root of 16 is 4 plus minus 4. No? And then we have square root of 2. Later na natin yung plus minus. So here, pwede nating i-substitute yung 4 square root of 2 dun sa square root of 32. So we have x equals 4 plus 4 square root of 2 over 2. Pwede pa ba tayo mag-simplify? Yes, I guess so. So, pwede nating i-factor out yung 2. Yung 4 at saka 4, divisible sa by 2, di ba? So, pwede nating i-factor out yung 2. This becomes 2, yung numerator, times 2 plus 2 squared of 2. Nagets nyo? Finactor out ko lang yung 2. So, magiging pag dinistribute ko ito back, by distributive property, I have 4 plus 4 squared of 2. So, divided by 2, and then I can cancel this out. So, x is equal to, sorry, plus minus ito pala. X is equal to, sorry, nag-undo ako. I have to do this. We have 2 plus minus 2 square root of 2. Wala na pala tayong fraction, ano? Naantok na yata ako. So we have 2 plus minus 2 square root of 2. Ito na yung ano natin, ito na yung value ng x natin, yung root natin. So we have two roots, we have x equals 2 plus, pwede natin pag-iwalayin ito, no? 2 square root of 2, or x equals 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So, dalawa yung ating roots. Ito yung pinakasagot natin. So, that's example 1 of quadratic formula. Siguro magkaroon pa tayo ng isa pang example, no? Para mas ma-practice ninyo, no? Sa susunod na video. Okay, so maraming salamat. Gusto ko imbitahan zip9.com, yung ating website. And of course, if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can just click the subscribe button below the video. See you in the next tutorial.